Hi guys, in front of me is REDMI 13x and let me show you how to allow installation of apps from unknown sources. First of all, find and select Settings. Then locate and open Privacy Protection, go to Special Permissions and click on Install Unknown Apps. Wait a couple of seconds till it's loaded. Now pick the app that you want to give this permission to and mark Allow from the source. And now just take a minute to read it. As you can see, you have to be aware of the risk that comes with installing from unknown sources, but you are aware and still want to activate this source. Just mark the indicator, tap on OK, and that's it. Obviously, you can do it for any other app of yours. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.